Hi, I'm John Rasmussen, Intermec Marketing Director, and I'm here to talk about ruggedness in the enterprise. Typically, we've been thought of as blue-collar type computing. Ruggedness that is meant for people that are using screwdrivers, not computers. Now, the evolution of the technology has enabled us to deliver rugged handheld computing that's in the shape of a smartphone.
So total cost of ownership obviously is extremely important for our customers, and there's really two different aspects of that. The hard cost, how much does it cost to buy the product, how much does it cost to maintain the product, and then the soft costs of did the product live and do I have any costs associated with a customer not meeting the delivery or not that product going down during the day. A lot of what we do with the testing that we do here is ensure that our products are reliable. Here's our drop test fixture. It's a 5/8 thick piece of steel over concrete. The steel plate has been matched to the concrete so that there's no air gap between it, so it's an extremely rigid surface. We needed something that would be a little bit harder than concrete because we were chipping up our floors.
Ruggedness is a key component for our industry because people are dropping equipment all the time. Different devices have different drop specs based on that user environment and criteria. CS40 has a 4-foot drop spec, and we consider that to be a minimum because when you think about products coming out of somebody's pocket hitting the floor, you're talking about 4-foot type levels going to concrete.
So what you're seeing here is the vibration table. This table will simulate all of our vibration profiles that we've collected over the years for various different trucks, etc., and then undergo increased amplitude testing with this device. So this is our tumble test fixture where we use to determine the next weakest link in our products, and we go try to fix those areas. Ruggedness is really important to our customers because it means less cost of ownership. By having a product that's rugged and can meet the needs of the user's workday, that product will be able to work every day in that environment. If they have a device go down during the day, he may have to take a trip back to the depot, get a new unit. He may miss his delivery commitments to a supplier.
That's what we're all talking about with the users out there, right? You want them to be able to sell more, to be able to service more clients and clientele. You want them to do it more efficiently. If you're talking field service, you want that first time fix rate to be up there and high, running up in the 90% range to be productive in the environment, to be efficient, to save costs, and to generate more revenue.
So what we're doing here is simulating our electrostatic discharge event. We want to make sure that the users don't run into any issues with any static discharge events, and that's how we test here. So I just hit this product with 15,000 volts, and as you can see from the gun, 15,000 volts. And the product's still working.
And let's face it, smartphones are designed to be cheap. Typical life on a smartphone is under 9 months in a business user's hands. Do you really want to go replacing them every 9 months? That's really not viable. You want something they're going to be able to use for multiple years without problems and without failures.
The normal user just wants their product to work. And here at Intermec, we ensure that we do all the things from a design standpoint to ensure that that product is going to live over the life of the product. We use special solder, we glue the large components down on boards. We do a lot of things in order to ensure that drop, tumble, and vibration environments are not going to shorten the life of our products. If you have mission critical activities, it's important that you put the right device in their hand. The right device, if there's scanning involved, is the CS40. It's got the smaller form factor with a dedicated scanner that will provide you a rugged solution with all the requirements that they need in order to be successful.
So there you have it. That's it for ruggedness and seal and all the characteristics you need to make your business work and survive today. So this is John Rasmussen saying, go out, get a CS40 and make your workers productive.